Naging digital ko rin.
Ayan o. Oh, ayan na. Oh, we just finished celebrating.
Yes.
Advanced birthday for Sarah.
And
There you go.
anniversary for Celia and Arya.
So, most important date, January 30th. And I have also my kumare, Stella. Her birthday is on January 30th too.
Oh, wow.
Happy advanced birthday to her. There, we were at... Saan tayo kumain? There you go. Ocean. Ooh, na ano ko, na zoom out. Oh, there you go. Ocean 4. Ocean 11? Sino Ocean 11?
6, 7.
Ah, 6, 7.
Happy birthday,
Happy. Remember we ate here? We were here. Dito sa Red. Oh, Annabelle. You're gonna have your birthday in March 8, so I cover yung ano mo dito, birthday sa Red. Oh, nandito kami ngayon, Annabelle. Oh.
Ayan.
Oh, remember you had your birthday here? How many years ago ba daw? 4 or 5 years ago right here. But we came here for what? We came here, di ba? May pinuntahan tayo dito, hindi ko na matandaan. And here's the mall, Macy's, somewhere here. Ayan pala. Nasaan tayo ngayon? Sa
Passion Island.
Passion Islands right here. Our favorite place na, Passion Island. Hindi na LA?
Versus LA.
Versus
LA
LA.
is
I
so
still love
crowded.
LA.
Oh, see?
LA is so crowded.
Gusto na ni anong OC, oh. Wala tayong problema, di ba?
Here in OC it's better.
OC is
But, marami doon, kaya lang nga. Maraming restaurant doon, pero magsasawa ka naman sa Pilipinas niyan eh.
Ha?
Busta, magsasawa ka sa Pilipinas.
The Philippines.
Yeah. Masarap yung ano, oy.
The fun in the Philippines.
Thank you. Masarap yung ano, yung night market.
Oh, yeah.
Nag-enjoy talaga ako sa Asia na night market's the best.
I think that's what we're gonna
I love it.
For 6 weeks.
You're gonna like
oh my
it.
God. Take me with you.
Tataba na naman ako ng ilang pounds.
Then Wilsa is also going.
see you in
Wilsa is
March,
going-
Celia.
Oo, March 3rd ang balik namin, no?
We will see
Okay.
you there.
See ya.
Pilipinas.
Philippines.
Okay, good night. Good night.
1990. Okay. Iikot na ako. Woo!
Celia, ikaw hindi napapagod pag nagta-travel?
Hindi naman, hindi naman.
Energetic.
Yan. Energetic pa rin. Kaya lang nga,
You're just
wala,
like me.
I know, wala akong time mag-upload. Dahil by the time, di ba, you have to get up early.
I don't get
Bye na. Okay, bye everyone. Ciao, ciao.
Okay.
Happy birthday again. Advance.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, ayan na. Welcome to the club.
Oh my God.
Welcome to the club.
Hipa.
Ha? Welcome to the club. Matagal pa to. To welcome in the club. 2 years pa yan for the club of 5. Tayo club of 6.
We're there now.
2 years ka pa, right? O ka lang, ano celebration yan? 2 years, 2 years, di ba?
All get older sooner or later.
Right? 2 years pa yung ano mo, the big one, right? Okay. Yeah, 2 more years pa. She's the baby yan, baby. Okay, bye for now. Good night.
Dito lang.
Night. My ears going. Bye. Saan ka tayo?
Do what you wanna
Babe?
do what you wanna
Saan tayo?